that the Queensland Ambulance Service will begin bolstering our testing efforts for COVID-19. We've learned throughout this metropolitan outbreak that we need a greater and more flexible ability to stand up more fever clinics quickly and do more testing quickly. And so while our first response will continue to be our hospital and health services and, of course, our private pathology services who have been fantastic also, we will begin using our ambulance service where we need to in order to be able to make testing more convenient for people, and that will begin hopefully shortly when we start making more testing available throughout those Southern Moreton Bay Islands and the Redlands. So I'm just going to ask Kim Richards to say a few words about how the Redlands community is feeling, particularly those island communities. We've got Peter from the Ambulance Service to talk about how they will be assisting more in our COVID-19 response, and of course I should acknowledge that they have been crucial and vital and central to our response so far, and then of course the Chief Health Officer is available with much more detail.
Thank you, Deputy Premier. I'd like to thank the Deputy Premier and Queensland Health for their rapid response yesterday on Russell Island to the news of the active case. At 3:30 yesterday afternoon, they commenced testing, and as the Deputy Premier stated, over 150 tests were completed. I'd like to congratulate my community on their calm response and their responsiveness to being tested. It's been terrific. Our frontline services have done an amazing job. Our SES yesterday and our Redlands Coast champions also did a fantastic job in supporting the Metro South Health team. So it's been a terrific response. I encourage all Redlanders, if you're feeling unwell, please make sure you go and get tested. The flexibility that's being applied to testing, and particularly on our unique and beautiful Redlands Coast Islands, has been fantastic. It's been rapid and it's been dynamic. So again, I thank the Deputy Premier for all of the work that's been done to support my Redlands community.
Queensland Ambulance Service is happy to utilise their expertise in improving the capacity to getting the community tested in the outbreak of COVID-19. We wish to ensure that the community has rapid access to these testing clinics, and we want to maintain that people should get tested.